can pack this up and go down there and what we are doing. You see now, and that big you back your money. Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call. If you do, what you say? Right? Come here, my friend, come here. You don't want to be on camera? You don't have to be on camera. Come here, I'm going to shield you from them. Come here. I'm going to shield you. Boy, Nicholas, them, I can't take them, you know. Wait for your son. So you have this, and you have this. All you're going to do for me is answer a simple question. So Grace is advertising sweet plantain chips, green banana chips, and green plantain chips. Right? Cheap product. What product or what is the green plantain chips made of? Think about it. What is the green plantain chips made of? Green plantain chips made of.
Green plantain?
Beautiful. You don't go like saying, but come down, man, my friend. You're going like saying, you're smart. Which one you want? Tostitos, you want this one? Tell me which one you want. Or Tostitos, when you go and put it on two bread and, you know, so you can look for you in some, you go some place? You go some place, you go road trip. Come here. So tell me something, what's your name? Tiana, you go to school. Which school you attend? You attend the Holy Childhood. And because you attend the Holy Childhood, I can't leave here without making sure you learn a lesson. Spell the word plantain. Spell the word banana. And one more thing, spell the word grace. You can compete in a spelling bee. Go on, my friend. Later on, you see your face, you can spit, you can contest tonight.